So hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make this back loop chevron stitch pattern. So this pattern is general one, is a multiple of certain numbers which you can expand or shorten for your given project. And that's it. So I'm gonna use an acrylic medium worsted yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use whichever yarn you like with the recommended crochet hook in the label for whichever project you will be doing. So without further ado, we'll get started. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot as always, and I'm gonna chain a multiple of 11. So I have to do 11s till I get the required number for the project, whether it's a blanket, pillow, a garment, whichever. And then at the end of the multiples I will add 2 more chains. So I'll make 22 plus 2, so for the demonstration. So I've got 22 here, and I'm gonna add 2 more chains. So for the first row, what I'm gonna do is 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1 and 2, and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm gonna skip 2 chains and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 4 chains. You see the shape already? In the next chain I'm gonna make 3 single crochet all in 1 chain. And again I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the next 4 chains. And again I will skip 2 and 1 single crochet in the next 4 chains. And the last chain I'm gonna make 2 single crochet. So basically throughout the work, which you need to retain, when you start a row you always have to do 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then you make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. You skip 2, then 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 3 single crochet in the next stitch, then you repeat 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Skip 2, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and in the last chain of the row or last stitch 2 single crochet. So we start with 2 single crochet, we finish with 2 single crochet. With the next row I'm going to show you how to change color and working with a back loop. So I'm going to join the color this way, chain 1 and turn. We'll make sure the yarn is tight. So this is my first stitch, 2 single crochet. This is the back loop over here, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Back loop only. Throughout the work we'll be working on the back loop. Like this. 4, then skip 2 and again in the back loop 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. It's very simple when you go up with the rows, it's just repetitive throughout. Once you do the first row right, that's it, you don't need to worry usually. And now in the back loop next 3 single crochet. And we repeat 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. We skip 2, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And the very last stitch, which is this one, 2 single crochet, always working in the back loop. So you get this pattern looking like this, exactly the same way as this. So here I have done 2 rows of each color. You choose to do 1 row or 2 rows, it depends on you. And this is how you make the back loop chevron stitch pattern. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.